Alright, let's do this, Kyle. We're not racing. I'm letting you go in front and we're driving. Here we go.
You get a 3-second head start.
No, we're not racing. I'm just filming with him and me on my GoPro. Go ahead. I'm getting him on tape. Are you gonna race? Go!
Alright, go. I'll give you 3-second head start.
Go! Go! He was kicking up rocks. You were kicking up rocks. Great. Yay. You were kicking up rocks.
I was.
Yeah, rocks were flying up.
Like how high?
You mean like a rooster with rocks.
Nice.
Like instead of dirt, it was rocks. This